All right, so this is a walkthrough on becoming a lender in SG.Loans. So in order to become one, you have to get whitelisted. So we're going to go ahead and click on lend, and it'll take you to this whitelist form. You're going to fill out the basic contact information, email address, name, company, address, and at the bottom, you're going to input how much loan volume do you anticipate funding annually. Once this information is filled out, go ahead and click submit, and the process to becoming whitelisted has started. In the next slide, I'm going to show you what it's like interacting within the app as a lender. All right, now I'm whitelisted as a lender. So I'm going to go to the app itself. In the top right-hand corner, I will click Launch App. Take me to app.sg.loans. And now I'm going to connect my wallet. I'm already connected through MetaMask at the moment. And for this example, I'm going to be using a testnet, but normally you'll be on the Polygon network. Now I'll go ahead and select the lender role, and it'll take me to the lender dashboard. I've already submitted an example loan request. It's this 100 USDCT. So I'm going to go ahead and accept this. I approve of the APY. Accept. Now I'm getting a MetaMask notification to confirm this transaction. So I'll go ahead and click confirm. Bid is accepted. So I'll go ahead back to the dashboard. You can also click on my loans to see my past paid and currently active loans as well. All right, so now my example loan that I had accepted has been paid in full. So we're going to go back to our lender's dashboard to see. I'm going to connect my wallet. My wallet's already connected through MetaMask. I'm going to select the lender role. And there we go. My example loan of 100 USDCT that I had accepted has been paid in full. And interest on my end says 0 because I paid it back completely within like 5 minutes. So on a normal loan where they make regular monthly payments, you will be able to see the interest you have accumulated here and earned. All right, just to recap, these are the steps that goes into being a lender on SG.Loans. First, I filled out a form to be whitelisted as a lender, and I did that on sg.loans/lender. Once I got accepted and became whitelisted, I launched the dApp and then connected my wallet. After that, I selected the lender role. And upon viewing my dashboard as a lender, I went ahead and accepted a loan request. And once I accepted that loan request from a borrower, over time, that borrower had paid back their loan in full, and I, as a lender, had earned interest. And those are the 5 simple steps that go into being a lender on SG.Loans. And I can repeat this as many times as I'd like.